Maud, you had your bag all packed and ready?
Wes, with a guy like Tyler, a woman's always got to be prepared for anything. We had a deal. An agreement. We said if we ever came to splitting up, we would sit and face each other over a table and talk it out like adults. I will not let him get away with the Dear John long distance collect. He's got to pay something for breaking his word to me.
But you're breaking your word to me, too.
I will go down to Puerto Rico, and I will stand next to his Mona. He can measure our pluses and minuses side by side. Get Easton on the line. Tell him I can be a Kennedy in 90 minutes.
The guy's a jerk. He's got you and he chases tomatoes.
That's
Can him.
That's mine. Give it here.
You're pissing in the wind, Maud. Pissing.
Give it. Ow! You cannot hit me with my property.
You want it? You take it.
Oh, that's great. That's great.
Why do you want to go down there and humiliate yourself in front of some woman who's 10 years younger and 1/2 as smart?
He is my husband. He is all I've got.
He's all you got? Well, you're going to have to fight me to get out that door.
Don't be ridiculous. You're hurt. I couldn't possibly
Fight back!
You Texas girls may settle your personal...
Stop your yakking and put up your dick!
Ow! I will not stoop to this ridiculous behavior.
Fight back, sugar!
My name is Maud.